This truly world-class airport is now here for every Filipino.
This is one facility by the team that we can truly be proud of, not only as a Kapampangan, but more importantly, as a citizen of the Philippines.
I could almost not believe my eyes that another beautiful building, one after the other, built by Arthur Tugari.
So for today's event, we've decided to focus on the theme 4 elements of nature. Air. This airport was built with you in mind. So we look forward to welcoming our travelers and the return of travel with vengeance. The second element is water. Seamless travel experience is like the flow of water. Today, you will be the first one to experience our contactless self-service kiosk, self-bag drops. The third element is earth. This airport reflects a very deep sense of place, taking inspiration from the natural landscape and formation of Central Luzon. Fire, representing the fiery spirit of the Philippines. In spite of this pandemic, there are 6,000 people, more than 6,000 people involved in fitting out this terminal. All of these people came together just to create a vision, to make an airport that all Filipinos will stand proud. That is why this airport is a force of nature.
the province of Pampanga is mighty proud to host this world-class airport. Arguably the best airport in the country. Our message to you is simple. Clark is your airport as well. To our private sector partners, Megawide GMR, who built the structure, and to the LIPAD consortium led by Philinvest, Robinson Spags, and Changi Airports Group of Singapore, the operator of the best airport in the world. Thank you very much for sharing your expertise to the national government and making this airport a reality for every Filipino. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po namin magagawa ito kung wala kayo.
I had a wish, a longing, and a dream that one day, soon, at the Clark International Airport will soon rise a world-class passenger airport. This is now a reality waiting to be used and to be cherished. This is a facility that is contactless. Never in the history of the Republic of the Philippines has any airport, including NAIA, has a feature where it says contactless. You have the Heroes Lounge. At the same time, you have a lounge dedicated for the use of the overseas Filipino workers. Libre. This is a recognition in fact by this administration, giving honor and prestige to the overseas workers and saying, we give you this facility you enjoy, because in your own right, you are the modern day hero. This will be an airport that will be connected with a train express. This is the first of its kind, where you have interoperable facilities in transportation. Mr. President, it is now ready to be used. Lilipad na ho ang facility ito. Handa na ho lumipad.
Look at this beautiful edifice. I could almost not believe my eyes that another beautiful building, one after the other, built by Arthur Tugari. I commend the Department of Transportation, the Basis Conversion and Development Authority, and all our partners from the private sector for this massive achievement. May we all look forward to a safer, easier, and more comfortable travel experience here at the Clark International Airport.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.